Here we have a 2019 69 plate BMW M2 competition in Long Beach blue. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in black and silver. Now just behind them we do have the blue M Sport brake calipers. We do have the LED headlights as well as quite a bit of carbon fibre on the exterior of this car. So you do have the carbon fibre kidney grills, carbon fibre side skirt extensions. We also have the carbon fibre rear boot spoiler and diffuser. We have the blacked out styling on the windows, we have the black window trim, we have the privacy glass on the rear, 4 quad tip exhaust flush to the rear bumper, the carbon fibre rear diffuser. We also have front and rear parking sensors. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if I go to the front door, I'll show you a bit of the interior of this car. Now looking straight into the back, you can see we do have the full leather throughout. We have the ISOFIX point storage tray in the centre with the M Performance seat belts. You also have the M just stitched in up there as well. Now there's a look at the driver's seat, which has the suede accents on the side with the blue stitching. M2 plaque just up there, which lights up in the dark. Now on the doors you get your electric windows, dry carbon fibre, you also have your suede with your blue stitching, and integrated Harman speakers. Jumping inside, looking just down there, you have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, you do also have your keyless start, which is a red button and does look very, very cool indeed. We have a multi-function steering wheel paddle shift if we take the car into manual mode. We also have speed limiter and cruise control just there. We also have the M modes, which you can set up on the screen in the centre. So M1 can be your efficient driving and your M2 can be your more aggressive driving. So you just press them and then the car will then adapt to those settings. You have your auto wipers, you also have your BC just there. Now this vehicle has done just over 19,000 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Coming to the centre, we do have the satellite navigation screen, which is also touchscreen. Now you can find your media connectivity, so you have your DAB radio. You also have FM, AM, online entertainment, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, and also USB. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, back to the navigation. And we also have your navigation search options just there as well. Now with this vehicle you do get different drive modes. You do get Sports Plus, Efficient and Sport for your engine, and you also have Sports Plus, Comfort and Sport for your steering. Now coming down here you have your dual zone climate control, which works exactly how you'd expect it to, as you can see just there. Now 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings rear does make all the difference. Coming down there you have your storage tray. Open this up, you have 2 nice sized cup holders with your key and also 12-volt connectivity. Coming down here you have your traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select, parking sensors on and off. So if I put the car into reverse you can see your front and rear parking sensors just there. You have your gearbox adaptations to see how fast the gear changes are and how long it revs through the rev range. Dried carbon fibre all around the interior of this car, which is a very nice addition. And this is what you use to control what happens on your screen if you're not using the touchscreen function. Now it has a touchpad on top, so you can zoom in and out of the map and also do other functions there as well. We have your suede boots around the gear stick, the handbrake, sorry. Soft touch leather armrest, which moves forwards and back to suit your driving position, which also has storage just underneath as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full leather front seat, again with the blue stitching, blue accents, and the M2 plaque that lights up in the dark. So the M2 logo just lights up. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with a fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M2 competition. Now the purpose of this video test drive, of course, is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not activating the steering wheel to keep it a straight line, so it's straight and true, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we do have a multi-function steering wheel with 2 different M modes, as well as cruise control and speed limiter. Now to activate the cruise control, simply just press the dial, press the button, and then use the dial to push up or down and get us to the nearest miles an hour. Push up until you feel a bit of a click and it'll adjust to the nearest 5, or push up very slightly and it'll adjust to the nearest 1 miles an hour. Now the 2 different M modes, now you can put these to your different settings on the iDrive system. So on M1 you can have it so your efficiency driving, so you've got your higher MPG, or you can put it onto M2 and you can have it so your more aggressive driving or your Sports Plus or Sport. Now you do also have a paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So currently I'm in 5th, I'm going to drop it down to 4th, 3rd, 2nd, up to 3rd, up to 4th, up to 5th, and then we'll let the car take back over by simply pushing the gear stick to the right and it goes back into D. Now we do have a digital dash in front of me, so you can have the road sign analysis, so it tells you what speed limit the road is on, the road that you're on is, and it also gives you a digital display of what speed you're doing. We have the integrated Harman speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. All around the interior of this vehicle, you do have the tri-carbon fibre and the suede trim, and it is a very nice addition to have. Now the screen in the centre is touchscreen, and you can also find your Bluetooth radio, Bluetooth audio connectivity. You also have DAB radio as well as FM and AM. You also have the satellite navigation screen. And once you pop it into reverse, you do have a virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors. Now the 2 front seats are also heated as well. All the seats in the interior are leather with suede accents. The 2 front seats are also heated, so for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. Now the interior of this car is very comfortable, and you can quite easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial state where I'm going to take a right, I'm going to perform an emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, adjust your steering, the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up in the centre screen the visual display of your front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard on seat brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever, and you can see the virtual display of your front and rear parking sensors just on the screen there as well. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'll be listening out for any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now if you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and what on video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it for me in this What on Video and video test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.